Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by placing the Jabra Elite 65t on a soft cloth to prevent scratches. Make sure the charging contacts face down so you can see the seam. Use a fingernail or a thin pry tool at the tiny gap where the shell meets the stem and apply gentle, steady pressure. You don't force it. Instead, twist slightly to lift the edge. Once the seam opens a millimeter or two, stop and reposition. This first lift gives you leverage for the next step without cracking the plastic. You now work around the housing, easing the clip points apart one at a time. Once done, slide the pry tool along the seam to release the next latch. Make sure to lift gently so internal ribbon cables and the small speaker driver don't yank free. If you feel resistance, back off and check for hidden clips. As you open, note the position of the microphone and magnet assemblies. Keep parts organized in a tray. Once the shell separates, you'll have clear access to the battery and PCB for any repair. You finish by gently disconnecting the battery with a plastic spudger. This prevents shorting while you work on the PCB. Make sure to reseat any foam pads and magnets in their exact orientation before closing. Then align the shell edges and press firmly until each clip clicks back into place. If the housing won't separate or reseal properly, warm the seam with a hairdryer for 20 to 30 seconds to soften adhesive. Then retry. This single troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn fits without.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.